problems in the first exercise. Now let us see the rest of the problems today. Now the problem number 4 given at the page number 15 for the matrix A, they have to show that A square minus 3A minus 7I2 is equal to O2. That is I2 means identity matrix of order 2. This O2 means nothing but null matrix of order 2. Now after finding this, with the help of this result, we need to find A inverse. Like first let us show this one. A square minus 3A minus 7I2 equal to 0 means first we need to find A square value. Now we can find A square. A square means we know very well A into A. The first matrix A is 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Into A means itself, that is 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Now we can multiply these two. Row by column, 5 5s are 25, then minus 3. Then here 5 3s are 15, then minus 6. Then minus 5 plus 2. Then we can say minus 3, then plus 4. Now, which is equal to 25 minus 3 is equal to 22. Then 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Minus 5 plus 2 equal to minus 3. Then this is 1. Now this is A square. A square. Now after finding A square, we have to show that A square minus 3A minus 7A2 equal to 0 2. After finding A square, just we can consider this one. Consider this A square minus 3A minus 7I2. Now we have to prove this value equal to 0. Therefore, first we can replace this value. A square equal to 22, 9, minus 3, 1. This is A square. Minus 3 times A. A matrix is 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Then minus 7 I2 means identity matrix of order 2, 1 0 0 1. Now after this, which is equal to 22, 9, minus 3, 1. Then you can take minus 3 inside, put plus, then you can write minus 15 minus 9 plus 3 plus 6. Then you can take minus 7 inside, you can take minus 7, 0, 0, minus 7. Now which is equal to, we can add the matrices means I have to add their corresponding elements. That is 22 minus 15 minus 7. 22 minus 15 minus 7. The next one 9 minus 9 plus 0. Next one minus 3 plus 3 plus 0. Next one 1 plus 6 minus 7. Now after that we have taken, this is 0, 0, 0, 0. Everything getting cancelled, getting 0. It is a 0 matrix of order 2. Hence we can write O2. Now in the left hand side, A square minus 3A minus 7I2, which is equal to O2. That is, we have proved this one. A square minus 3A minus 7I2 is equal to O2. Now we have proved this result. Then after proving this one, we have to find A inverse. To find A inverse, we need to use this result. Now let us see. Further, from this is to find A inverse, we can say. To find A inverse, this since it's a 2 by 2 matrix, we can find it directly. But here in this problem, using this result only, we need to find A inverse. For that, this is given A square minus 3A minus 7I2 is equal to O2. From this, we need to find A inverse means, now you try to pre-multiply by A inverse. P multiplied by A inverse means you can multiply these three elements by A inverse. You can write A inverse into A square. This A square can be written as A into A. Now minus 3 into A inverse into A, then minus 7 A inverse into I2 is equal to O2. Now here we can consider, just we have multiplied, pre-multiplied by A inverse. Now from this we need to find A inverse. First try to simplify. We know very well A inverse into A is nothing but an identity matrix of order 2. Then we can say A minus 3 into, we know very well A into A inverse is nothing but identity matrix of order 2. Then minus 7 into, that is any matrix is multiplied by identity matrix, we can get the same matrix. Therefore we can get A inverse, which is equal to 0 into A is nothing but 0 only. That we can register. Now after that, see here, I2 into A gives A matrix only. Then minus 3I2 minus 7 times A inverse is equal to 0, we can see. Now after that, see here, we need to find A inverse only. You solve for A inverse. This minus 7 into A inverse is here. Can take to the right hand side. This result gives 7 times A inverse. We are taking this one right hand side. Then we can get A minus 3I2. Now from this, A inverse equal to, after this step, A inverse is equal to, this 7 you can take to the right hand side, then it goes to the denominator, which is equal to 1 by 7 into capital A minus 3I2. Yes, now which is equal to 1 by 7 into, the matrix A is 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2. This is A matrix, minus 3 times I2 means 3 into 1001. It gives 3003. That's all. Now we have to subtract. While subtraction also we need to subtract only the corresponding elements. 5 minus 3 gives 2. 3 minus 0 gives 3. Minus 1 minus 0 gives minus 1. Then minus 2 minus 3 gives minus 5. Now this is the value of A inverse. Now we got A inverse through the given result. Suppose you want. Next we will see example 1.10 given at the page number 11 in the material test problem number 5. Now for this matrix A, if capital A square plus x into capital A plus y into I2 is equal to O2, then we need to find the values of x and y. And also we need to find the value of A inverse through this condition. Therefore first let us find the values of x and y with the help of this condition. For that first we need to find A square. Therefore we can find A square. We know very well A square means A into A. Therefore we can write 4, 3, 2, 5 into, again the same matrix, 4, 3, 2, 5. Now you can go row by column. 4 4s are 16 plus 6 equal to 22. Then 4 3s are 12 plus 15 equal to 27. Then 2 4s are 8 plus 10 is equal to 18. Then 2 3s are 6 plus 25 equal to 31. Now A square is equal to 22, 27, 18, 31. This is A square. Then after that we can use this condition to find the values of x and y. Now we can write this given A square plus x into A plus y into I2 is equal to O2. Now here A square we have 22, 27, 18, 31. Then plus x into A. X into the matrix A is 4, 3, 2, 5. Then plus y into I2 means IT matrix of order 2. You can say 1, 0, 0, 1. Now which is equal to null matrix of order 2, 0, 0, 0, 0 you can see. Yes, now after that just you can multiply x inside, similarly y inside. You can get 22, 27, 18, 31 plus, you can write this as 4x, then 3x, then 2x, then 5x plus y 0, 0, y, which is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Yes, now we can add all these three matrices. You know, whenever we are adding matrices, you have to add their corresponding elements. Therefore, you can add the first elements. That is, you can get 22 plus 4x. Plus 4x plus y, then 27 plus 3x, 27 plus 3x plus 0. Then if you go for second row, 18 plus 2x, 18 plus 2x plus 0. Then 31 plus 5x plus y, 31 plus 5x plus y. Now this matrix is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Now if the two matrices are equal, definitely their corresponding elements are equal. Therefore you can equate the corresponding elements. Suppose here only one variable means you can select this one. This is first row second column will be equal to first row second column. We can write 27 plus 3x equal to 0. From this 3x is equal to minus 27. Therefore x is equal to minus 9. Then after that we want to find y means you can choose either this element or this element. Any one of these two you can choose. Now let us take this one. Now you can take first row first column element will be equal to first row first column element. Therefore you can say 22 plus 4x plus y is equal to 0. Now 22 plus 4 into the x value is minus 9, then plus y is equal to 0. Now 22 minus 4 9s are 36 plus y is equal to 0. Now 22 minus 36 is equal to minus 14 plus y is equal to 0. Now y is equal to plus 14. Y is equal to plus 14. Now we got x value and y value. After finding x value and y value, we can find A inverse with the help of this result. Therefore, we can go for finding this one, A inverse. That is given a square plus x a plus y I2 is equal to O2. Now replace the values of x and y here. See here a square you can write as it is plus what is x minus 9 minus 9a plus y equal to 14 plus 14 I2 is equal to I2 matrix 0 matrix of order 2. Now from this we need to find A inverse means as we have done in the previous case, you pre-multiply by A inverse on both sides. Now we can write A inverse. This A square can be written as A into A, then minus 9 is a scalar we can write. Then we can write A inverse into A, then plus 14 is a scalar. Then you can write A inverse into I2, which is equal to A inverse into 0 matrix. Now, here we know very well matrix quantity is always associative. Therefore, we can associate these two. A inverse into A gives I into A minus 9 times. Again, this equal to I. Then plus 14. If you multiply any matrix by identity matrix, result is the same matrix. Therefore, you can get A inverse is equal to 0 into any matrix is equal to 0. Now, from this we need to find the A inverse. Therefore, 14 times A inverse is equal to, you can take this to the right hand side, you can write 9 times I, then minus I into A, always A matrix, you can write what? A. Now here, therefore A inverse is equal to, A inverse is equal to, you can take this 14 to the right hand side, you can get 1 by 14 into 9I minus A. Now, we are going to find out inverse of this matrix. Yes. Now, you can find A inverse. That is A inverse is equal to 1 by 14 into 9I means 9 times this identity matrix 1 0 0 1, then minus A matrix 4 3 2 5, which is equal to 1 by 14 into, you multiply 9 minus 4 gives 5, then 0 minus 3, you can write, then 0 minus 2, then 9 minus 5 gives 4. Now, this is A inverse. This is A inverse. Now, likewise, we can find what A inverse. Problem number 6 in the material, and fifth. Okay, now let us see the next problem. Problem number 14, given in the page number 16 in our material. It is problem number 25. Now, for this matrix A, we have to show that A inverse equal to 1 by 2 into A square minus 3A. Now, this can be proved in two ways. First one, we can find A inverse LHS. After that, we can find the RHS value A square minus 3A, and I multiply by this 1 by 2. Then I have to check whether these two are equal or not. Now, it is a lengthy process. For that, we can go for another shortcut method. For that, it is given A inverse is equal to 1 by 2 into A square minus 3A. Now we can modify this result. To bring this to this side, you can write 2 times A inverse is equal to A square minus 3I. Now after this, we need to eliminate this A inverse, means you multiply divided by A. Pre-multiply by A on both sides. Therefore, you can get 2 into A inverse, which is equal to, here you can write A into A square minus 3A into I. Now you have multiplied these three terms by A. Now we know very well A into A inverse is always equal to an identity matrix of order 3. Now you can write 2 times I3 equal to A into A square, you can get A cube minus 3 times, if a matrix multiplied identity matrix result is A only, therefore you can write what A. Now from this we have to prove that 2 times I3 equal to A cube minus 3A. This is very easy to prove. Therefore, for that we can write to prove this one, A inverse is equal to 1 by 2 times A square minus 3I. It is enough to prove a cube minus 3a is equal to 2i3. Therefore, let us take this one a cube. First we can find a cube means we can write a cube is equal to, you know very well, a into a. Therefore, first we can write a. The matrix A is 0, 1, 1. This is 1, 0, 1. Then 1, 1, 0. Now, this can be written 3 times. 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, and next one more time, that is 0, 1, 1, then 1, 0, 1, then 1, 1, 0. Now, we cannot multiply all these 3 matrices together, therefore first we can multiply the first 2 matrices, now which is equal to 0 plus 1 gives 2. Then next one 0, 0, 1, we can get 1. Then next we can go for this one again 0, 1, then 0 you can get 1. Then again second row first column 0, 1, 1 you can get 1 here. Then second row second column 1, 0, 1 you can get 2. The next one will also be equal to 1. Then again third row first column 0, 1, 1. This is 0 plus 1 plus 0 gives 1. Then again third row second column 1 plus 0 gives 1. Then third row third column 1 plus 0 gives 2. Now we can take this one into this matrix. This matrix 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, then 1, 1, 0. Now these two matrices multiplied by usual method. 2 into 0, 0, then 1, 1. Plus 1 gives what? 2. Then you can go for first row second column 2 into 1 2 plus 0 plus 1 gives 3. Then again first row third column 2 plus 1 3 plus 0 gives 3 only. Now next we can go for second row first column 0 plus 2 plus 1 gives 3. Then this one second row second column 1 plus 0 plus 1 gives 2. Then again if you multiply these things you can get 3. Similarly you can go for this one third row first column 0 plus 1 plus 2 gives 3. Then again 1 plus 0 plus 2 gives 3. Then 1 plus 0 gives 2. Now a cube equal to 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2. Now, after finding a cube, now what I have to say? A cube minus 3a. From this a cube, you have to subtract 3a. Then you have to check whether it is equal to 2i3. For that, you can write we can consider a cube minus 3a. Consider a cube minus 3a. Now a cube we got 2, 3, 3. This is 3, 2, 3. Then 3, 3, 2. This is a cube. Then minus 3 times a. 3 times the matrix A equal to 0, 1, 1. This is 1, 0, 1. Then 1, 1, 0. Now first we can write 2, 3, 3. Then 3, 2, 3. Then 3, 3, 2. This is a cube. Then minus. You can take minus 3 inside. Then you can put plus. This is 0, minus 3, minus 3. Then minus 3, 0, minus 3. Then minus 3, minus 3, 0. Now, you have to add these two. 2 plus 0 gives 2. Minus 3 plus 3, 0. Again 3 minus 3, 0. Then 3 minus 3, 0. Then 2 plus 0 gives 2, then again also 0. Then again if you add this, you can get 0, 0, 2. Now, this is nothing but 2I3, which is equal to 2 into 100,010,001, which is equal to 2 times I3. Therefore, A cube minus 3A equal to 2 times I3. Okay, like this you can prove. Okay, yes, you can practice these problems in your class notebook. Then after that we will see in the next class. Thank you, children.